These are the 10 home features that may look amazing on Pinterest and on Zillow, but homeowners are now regretting them big time. Now, I'm going to show you why these hurt your resale value of your home, plus the alternatives that'll save you money and your sanity. Let's go. Number 10, barn doors and matte black hardware overload. Okay, it's 2026, and these got old real quick, didn't they? Barn doors are noisy. They give you zero privacy, and they feel out of date so fast. And matte black fixtures, well, that was cool in 2023, but now that every home has them, it's screaming, hey, look at me, I look just like everybody else. And the regret level is high for resale. So instead, go for brushed nickel or the brass because it's going to give you a timeless appeal. So what do you think? Barn doors, yay or nay? Go ahead, comment below. Number 9, marble countertops with stunning veining, but it etches from lemon juice and stains from wine. This has become a real nightmare for the family kitchen. Now, clients are really regretting the upkeep on this. So how about quartz mimicking marble? Well, you get the same look, but with zero babysitting. And this is a huge win for busy lifestyles. Number 8, oversized or split kitchen islands. Hey, look, the big islands, they give you the multi-million-dollar look, but that 42-inch plus needs lots of clearance or it's total kitchen chaos. Bumping into kids, blocking the dishwasher, you know what I'm talking about. And split countertops, they kill the counter space. So just be sure that you design for flow, not for Instagram. But the better idea with all this is a functional 8 to 10 foot island with a prep zone area. That is a win. Number 7, Jack and Jill bathrooms. Kids fighting over their shared space? You know that doesn't happen, right? Look, this is a big resale killer for non-family buyers. And if your budget allows, you want to separate the baths because this is only going to boost your home's value. But if you do have to do a Jack and Jill, you can do the alternative. That's split the bathroom with a private lockable room for the toilet and also for the shower. And then you have a separated area with a shared vanity. This is going to minimize the drama. Number 6, hollow core doors. Yeah, you can save some money here. These are cheap, they're lightweight, but the noise transfers everywhere. So you want to use solid core doors in the main living areas for your peace of mind, and especially in a work from home era. If you have closets, hollow doors are just fine. But solid core doors in the main living areas, this is a simple, unnoticed upgrade that has a big comfort gain on actual livability. Number 5, the TV above the fireplace. The next drain, the heat damage to your TV, you know what I'm talking about. The workaround here is a low hearth and a linear fireplace with a pull-down mount. Now, most people are now regretting this comfort of the TV above the fireplace because it's a pain in the neck. So a better option is a wall mount elsewhere in the room, or you can use a mantle design that lowers the TV level. Number 4, the microwave over the stove and a combo unit. Here again, you get poor stove venting, weak performance, and guess what? If it breaks, you need to replace the whole thing. But if you have a drawer or a pantry microwave, that's a lot cleaner. And a real vent hood over the stove, that is an efficiency win. Number 3, open floor plans without an escape zone. A 2026 reality is everybody needs some peace and quiet every once in a while. The Zoom meetings, the homework, the sleep. Open spaces with echoes can drive people nuts. And this hurts resale big time. So you want to add a den or a flex room because the real luxury is the space to retreat to. Number 2, freestanding or centerpiece tubs. They look Pinterest perfect. I got one, but neither my wife or I have ever used the thing. But I will admit, my dog has used it. But the reality is, these are rarely used, they're hard to clean around, and a total waste of space. And if it's jetted, that's just gross. The internal pipes, they trap stagnant water, the soap scum, the mold and bacteria. So instead, you want to focus on an epic shower, the rainfall, the multiple shower heads, a bench, and maybe even some steam. Buyers want daily luxury, not sculpture. Number 1, the pot filler over the stove. Now, this is an instant regret because you still have to carry that pot away and then drain it anyway. There is the additional plumbing risk with leaks possible, and it's rarely practical over top the stove. So better uses, a coffee station filler or a dog bowl with a drain. People love their dogs. And in 2026, I've seen buyers actually walk away from buying a house over a pot filler at the stove. So the question I have for you is this. Did any of this information help you or save you from a headache? So if you're building a home or you're buying a home or you're selling a home, comment below. Let me know what your biggest regret is and your biggest question as well, because I don't want you to make any of these mistakes. Now look, if you subscribed, guess what? I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care, guys.